Good morning, students. In the last video, I have explained about the limitations of cash flow statement. The next concept is the difference between the cash flow statement and fund flow statement. So we'll see the difference. What are the difference between the cash flow statement and fund flow statement? So the first one is that it is under cash flow statement. It is prepared on the basis of cash and cash equivalents. So here the cash flow statement, it is prepared on the basis of cash and their cash equivalents. So here the fund flow statement, it is prepared on the basis of fund as working capital. So here the fund flow statement, it is prepared on the basis of the fund, that is working capital. And second one is that the cash flow statement, it is cash from operation is calculated with the help of cash flow statement. The cash from operation, that is the operations of the business, how much cash we are getting, cash from operation is calculated with the help of cash flow statement. Whereas in case of fund flow statement, funds from the operation is calculated, how much fund we are getting from the operations of the business. Then third one is the cash flow statement, that is statement of changes in working capital is not prepared. Statement of changes in working capital is not prepared in cash flow statement, whereas in fund flow statement, statement of changes in working capital is prepared. So here the working capital means there is here it is a capital required to pay for the day-to-day expenses, day-to-day business expenses or the transactions. So here that is current liability, assets minus current liabilities, we will get the working capital. So what is the changes in the working capital? It can be calculated with the help of fund flow statement, not with the help of cash flow statement. Next is in cash flow statement, it is started with cash flows from the operating activities. So in cash flow statement, while calculating cash from operation, it starts with the cash flows from the operating activities of the business. So in case of fund flow statement, it is started with the funds from operation or funds lost in operation. So what is the funds from operation? The next difference is in cash flow statement, it is ended with closing cash in hand and cash equivalents. So at the end, the cash flow statement, it will end with a closing cash in hand or cash equivalents. So in case of fund flow statement, it is ended with either increase in working capital or decrease in working capital. So here in fund flow statement, we will prepare the fund flow statement in order to know the changes in the working capital. So it will end with the either increase in the working capital or decrease in the working capital. And next is that the reasons. Next is the the reasons for the change in cash are known through the cash flow statement. The reasons for the change in the cash are known. We will come to know the reasons for the change in the cash with the help of cash flow statement. Whereas in case of fund flow statement, the reasons for the change in working capital are known through the fund flow statement. So next difference is in cash flow statement, short-term financial planning is done through the cash flow statement. We can plan only for the short term with the help of cash flow statement, whereas in case of fund flow statement, medium term and long term financial planning is done through fund flow statement. We can plan maybe 3 years or 5 years or 10 years. Medium and long term financial planning is done with the help of fund flow statement. Next difference is cash flow statement analysis is based on the cash concept. So whereas the fund flow, it is based on the cash concept, means cash concept says that it include only the cash inflows and outflows. Here the cash concept means it concentrate only the cash transactions, not the non-cash transactions. Here in the fund flow statement analysis is based on the accrual concept. Here the accrual concept means It includes both cash and non-cash items, and it says that the incomes are or the expenses are incurred. When the expenses are incurred, then only we have to record the expenses, or the income when we receive. At that time only we have to record the incomes, but the expenses we can record if the future expenses are there. That is the accrual concept. Next difference is that it is used for preparing cash budgeting. The cash flow statement is used for preparing the cash budgeting in order to budget the cash flows. And here the fund flow statement, it is used for preparing the capital budgeting. What is the budget means, what is the future capital budgeting. Next, last difference is it shows only changes in cash position. The cash flow statement, it shows only the changes in the cash position, not other changes. But here the fund flow statement, it is concerned with the changes in the working capital between two balance sheet dates. So here the fund flow statement, it helps to know that the changes in the working capital. What is the changes in the working capital with between two balance sheet, maybe last year balance sheet and this year balance sheet? What is the changes in the working capital? So all these are the limitations of the this cash flow statement. Thank you.